In this video I'm going to show you how to bind off stitches. I've made a small sample piece for this tutorial. We start by knitting the first 2 stitches. Then we insert the left needle into the stitch that was knit first. We pass that stitch over the second stitch. Then we knit another stitch. And now in slow motion, insert the needle into the older stitch and pass that stitch over the newer one. When I first started knitting, I found this really hard. As with everything, this might take some practice. I sometimes used a crochet hook for this when I first started. At the end, there will be one last stitch left. You pull this stitch to make it really large. And then you cut the yarn. Make sure the thread is long enough to weave it in properly. If you like this tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more crafting inspiration.